So first of all, very good evening, good afternoon, good morning everyone. So today we are going to discuss a group discussion on a topic importance of presentation skills or importance of developing presentation skills. Okay, so you all are the communication class student. We are learning communication skills here. Actually, we are not learning only English grammar or not only speaking. We are just learning some behavior, how to maintain decorum. Means these type of activities we are learning here. Actually, this is all our classroom environment. So actually, if students come in the class, so students can learn so many things as well as their studies. So first, we are trying to develop some presentation skills in the students. Okay, so just you are already a students of previous classes and present classes. Okay, so you have so many times with these classes. So I think you have developed your presentation skills. Means now you are able to present your topics, present your communications, present your any kind of activities here. Okay, means you have not an some skills just like not an confusing about some topics, because some topics mostly we cover so many topics in the classroom. So means your hesitation has gone out already. So we are going to discuss a topic. So means developing presentation skills, importance of developing presentation skills. Actually, if we talk about today's world, so if you are present, means your first presentation is your last presentation. मीन्स अगर आप किसी के सामने अपना पहला प्रेजेंटेशन देते हो या आप किसी के सामने अपने आप को कैसे प्रेजेंट करते हो, चाहे आपको अच्छे से नॉलेज हो ना हो, लेकिन आपका प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स क्या करता है, मैटर करता है. और आज के टाइम में सबसे ज़्यादा जो मैटर करता है वो क्या करता है, हमारा प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स. अब प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स के लिए आपने अपने ऊपर वर्क किया है, आपने अपनी लैंग्वेज को ठीक किया है, अपनी ग्रामर मिस्टेक को ठीक किया है, आपने अपने अंदर वो एक हैबिट डेवलप की है बोलने वाली. देखो कई सारे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं जो बोल पाते हैं अच्छे से लिख पाते हैं, राइटिंग स्किल्स भी अच्छी होती है, रीडिंग स्किल्स भी अच्छी है, लिसनिंग स्किल्स भी अच्छी है, और उनकी क्या होता है, स्पीकिंग स्किल्स अच्छी नहीं होती है. क्यों नहीं होती है? क्योंकि वो हमेशा क्या करते हैं, हेजिटेशन फील करते हैं. तो हम चाहते हैं कहीं ना कहीं इन क्लासेस की हेल्प से कि आप लोग उस हेजिटेशन को क्या करो, दूर करो. अगर आपका वो हेजिटेशन दूर हो जाता है तो हर कोई इंसान क्या हो सकता है, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग में परफेक्ट हो सकता है. जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हो कि वी ऑलरेडी मीन्स अवर मदर टंग इज हिंदी. जैसे कि हमारी मदर टंग क्या है, हिंदी. अगर हमारी मदर टंग भी क्या होती, इंग्लिश होती, तो वी आर नॉट मीन्स डिपेंडेंट ऑन दीज क्लासेस. यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डिपेंड ऑन दीज क्लासेस. देन आप इस क्लासेस पर डिपेंड नहीं करोगे अगर आपकी क्या होगी, मदर टंग भी इंग्लिश होगी. जैसे कि अदर कंट्रीज़ के जो लोग हैं, फॉरेन कंट्रीज़ के जो लोग हैं, इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट अमेरिका, इंग्लैंड एंड ऑल, सो देयर मदर टंग इज इंग्लिश. So they are more comfortable in English, just like our mother tongue is Hindi, so we are more comfortable in Hindi. Okay, so actually we can present our skills in Hindi as well as English language. Okay, so now we are starting the communication, and this group discussion means what is the importance of presentation, developing presentation skills, and what is the importance of presentation skills. First I will invite from Yashraj.
So, sir, according to me, the importance of developing presentation skills is very important in our daily life, because we have to presentation means we are talking about we are only talking about a particular subject or any type of topic. So we have to develop our presentation skills to talk to other persons and to give presentation. We have to give presentation in many ways, like we have to also give in interviews and also other things. The presentation are also very important in our daily life. That's all.
Yes, I am C I T Y with Yash Rai, and I want to say that everyone have to try English one time, and if he is comfortable in English, he have to learn English. He have to talk in English. And Yasha said that we have to learn how to speak English, because we need a job, and we have to we need a job, and in to do a job we have to learn English, and we can improve our personality development and speaking development, and first if you have to tell English with fluency, so you have to first learn about tense, models, and etc.
Yes. Yes, actually, I am seeing the result here. Means just here, hers was joined that time. So actually, I personally know means hers has not much good presentation skills. But right now means he has so many presentation skills. Actually, after a little bit of time, means hers has performed very good and well according to means some students comparison to other students. So he is performing good. Actually, we are talking about presentation skills. So presentation skills is not about English language. Just we are discussing in English because this is a spoken English class or English speaking class. That's why actually presentation skills आप किसी भी लैंग्वेज में डेवलप कर सकते हो. जस्ट लाइक आपके अंदर वो क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए. मीन्स हम इस वीडियो में ये भी इस क्लास में ये भी डिस्कस करेंगे हाउ टू डेवलप प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स. हम प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स को कैसे डेवलप करें, हाउ कैन वी डेवलप प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल कैसे कर सकते हैं. मीन्स हाउ मैनी क्वालिटीज डू यू हैव फॉर प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स. फर्स्ट क्वालिटी इज दैट just you have to maintain a relationship between some persons. You have to maintain just like communication with some persons. You have to maintain eye contact. You have to maintain your gesture, posture of the body. Just these all are the things you have to maintain for presentation skills. Just your behavior is already good, so is means this kind of things will help you a lot in presentation skills. Next, Kush.
To me, in my opinion, importance of developing presentation skills are very necessary, because if we like if we are joining a college, so we have to make presentations for them, and if our presentation skills were not good, so we will hesitate there to present our presentation that what we make.
So I think that I agree with all of them, and let's go with the topic. So presentation skills are type of skills we should have, and it is one of the most important skill, because when we are good at writing, listening, or reading, so we should also be good in speaking or presenting. So in while presenting, we should be nice to the person who are listening our presentation or seeing what are we doing. We should focus on our gesture, posture, also on eye contact, and we should be so much confidence. We should not be so much stuck. We should not be so much troubled or nervous. We should be confident, and also we should focus on how we are speaking, and also not just like if we should smile also, and our presentation should not be boring. We should not be looking like nervous and that he is sad or upset. We should always look confident and smiling.
Actually, just everyone can develop their presentation skills, but sometimes they are hesitate. So just they have to reduce their quality of hesitation. Means why they are hesitate. Actually, means all the persons are equal. Means why we are hesitating. Means all the genders are equal nowadays. Some male gender, female gender, all the genders are equal. So why we are hesitating with front of other persons. Actually, just we have an focus on ourselves. Actually, no one can improve your presentation skills. Just like me, I can guide you. I can guide each and every student, but I cannot help personally. Just like I can guide, so students can help personally. Means students can help personally. Just like students have to present so many things, they just practice so many times. They just carry some words to present with other persons and in front of other persons. Okay, Aradhya.
So I agree with everyone, and I think that after we develop our communication skills or the presentation skills, so we are free, or we are just like not nervous about interacting to others or just joining others. We can easily go to others and talk to them, make friends them, and it's very easy for us. For that we should just leave our shyness or the hesitation, because it's the thing which control our all the mindset and etc that do not allow us to talk others freely. It gives us a shy that how will they think, matlab, means what will they think about us, and they just means judge us by our that personal things, and we should be careful. But it's not that like that, like we spoke many things, and that is really good, but in our mind it's going on like what they are thinking about us.
So presentation, as we all know, presentation skills are very important. As presentation is all about how you present yourself in front of someone, how you talk with someone, and it's very important because they judge by your presentation skills that how you are, and we can develop our presentation skills by so many methods, like by communicating others and taking their review that how you are communicating, and if they will find any type of mistake, so you can ask them, and you can solve means you can solve, and you can write that mistake.
यस एक्चुअली मैं उन लोगों के लिए भी ये बोलना चाहूँगा जो लोग ऑनलाइन इस वीडियो को देखते हैं, मीन्स हमारे कम्युनिकेशन के वीडियो, ग्रुप डिस्कशन के वीडियो को ऑनलाइन आप लोग देखते हो, तो आप लोग के लिए एक गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि आप भी इस टाइप के टॉपिक लेके, अगर आप थोड़ा सा नर्वस होते हो, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, फैमिली के साथ डिस्कशन करते रहते हो और डिस्कशन कर सकते हो, और साथ ही साथ हमारे ऑनलाइन बैचेस भी स्टार्ट होते रहते हैं, ग्रुप क्लासेस भी रहती हैं, हमारी पर्सनल क्लासेस भी रहती हैं, तो हमारे जो कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन है चैनल की, आप वहाँ से लेके हमसे कॉन्टैक्ट करके हमारी क्लासेस को भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, और जिससे कि आप डायरेक्टली हमारे ऑनलाइन के ग्रुप रहते हैं उससे आप ग्रुप डिस्कशन की प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो.
So now I want to let you know how to develop our presentation skills. So first we can try our presentation without camera in our home or any other places, and we can also and then we can then we don't hesitate, and that's all.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am see eye to eye with everyone, and I want to add a point we should not hesitate, and we have to try. We have to try to tell English in front of our mirror. And if sir will give me a topic, so first I have to prepare the topic and talk and tell the topic around 2 to 3 times.
Yeah, actually preparation is must of any kind of topic. Actually without preparation how can you speak, means what can you speak? Okay.
So I have seen many people that they can't develop their presentation skills because their hesitation and not doing eye contact to the other persons. So they can improve this mistake by just Harsh told that we can practice these kind of points in mirror. We can develop our presentation skills by so many methods also, like we can see so many good videos that are on YouTube. There are so many informative videos, so that we can hear them, and yes you can also see our videos, because we have made so many videos, and you can learn from our videos that how we communicate with each other, and how we have developed our presentation skills.
Okay, so I got another point with this point that just like from the first video that I have done, and one day I was just free and I saw my first video that I did at this institution, and today yesterday I saw my latest video. So I thought, and I noticed so much difference from and it was much better from the starting. I got so much confidence from here also. I stopped hesitating, and I think that not only with these, you can also practice at home yeah, and when you are presenting to others or just telling something, so we should be so familiar with the people who we are telling to. Thank you.
Okay, so I agree with Prishti, and same happened with me. Like in the beginning, I was not that much confidence, not and also not good in English. But after joining this institute, I'm much better and I'm much improved here. So I think that after practicing a lot, you can improve yourself.
So let's continue this topic. So importance of developing your presentation skills can lead to your means it can improve your effective communication, and it can have a personal growth, and you can improve your confidence by that. And if you are having presentation skills, so you can become a public speaker, and there are many ways by which you can improve your presentation skills, like you can practice regularly, and you can have so many means you can take some feedbacks from people that how do they communicate.
I'm just asking to Ayush, is what qualities should have in just like if you want to present any stage, so what qualities should you have?
Yeah, sir. Same to same. I have just I have just given a speech, a presentation in my Republic Day contest. Where I performed my quality that like I showed myself as a confident, and also didn't hesitate more to speak. I also had a problem that when I saw those students or people on the stage, I become a little bit less confident. That can be the problem of it.
Shivansh?
Presentation skills develop our speaking fluently or clearly, develop our confidence, and impress other, just like our. And like me, when I joined the institute or coaching, when I don't when I very nervous and hesitation, I don't I have very hesitation, and I don't speak English much more, and that's all.
So I am agree with you, and I want to say that with the help of this institute, we know very well about general knowledge, because in our previous video we have uploaded so many general knowledge, just like about the Swami Vivekananda, APJ Abdul Kalam, and lots of more topics we have covered in this institute, that I don't know when I did not come at this institute. So it is a very good platform to learn English, and to improve your general knowledge also.
Yes, I am agree with everyone. So importance of developing our presentation skills is very important to be a confident speaker or to speak very confidently. There are so many ways by which we can improve our speaking skills. Like also it is very important if we already developed our presentation skills, so we can speak very confidently. We can improve our thoughts, our skills. Like when we have a topic and we have to speak some things about it, our mind will catch so many things. We can also speak this. This is very nice.
Yes, I am agree with all of you. It is very important to improve our presentation skills. It can help us build confidence, and we can put our points, and we can put our points on presentation and conversation, and practice presentation again and again, make us confident.
Sir, I have a question to you. That when had you given your first presentation?
Actually, I had given my first presentation at the college time, Actually, I was so nervous that time. I was a student in school. Actually, that time it was very difficult for me because I was from Hindi medium. So that time means generally it was very difficult for me to communicate in English. Means I that time I don't have any kind of presentation skills, communication skills. Means I have, but I am hesitate. Means that time I had a lots of hesitation. But now actually after the college time or in the college time I improved myself so much. But you can see the result here. Means actually I have developed so many students in communication skills. Actually now I'm also proud of you also, means you all, because you are also means giving your full support and your full presentation skills. Means you are presenting, means whatever you know and means whatever you learn here, or means whatever I'm providing to you.
Yes, sir. So I want to tell about my first presentation. So means when I came here, so I get a platform to improve myself and means tell myself that what I am feeling inside and what I want to say. Means like sir given a topic and we are not able to find a person to express ourselves that what we are thinking. And when we came over here, so we learned and we are able to speak and we are able to express ourselves. So like this we have improved our communication skills and our presentation skills.
Actually means all of us means all of the things depend on means all the persons. Means how can you communicate and who is the front of the person in front of you, who is front of you, means that you want to communicate with that. Actually means all the persons, all the students are here, but you have to tell means what you have. Okay, means actually you have to present yourself first, and you can expectations from others, means they will also present themselves. Okay, so next I'm inviting some other students. So please, Purvi, Arnav, Siddharth and Sumit, please come here. Just they will present something also. Yes, Purvi.
Presentation skills are very important for all of us because it increases our confidence and other also important things.
So previously I can't do anything. I was not able to present myself in front of anyone, but now I am able to present myself in front of anyone.
Yes, I am agree with you. When I have so I have agree with you. When I will in first day in my this institute, I am very scared and I was very scared and I have low confidence, but with sir motivation and sir tells her everything. That's why I am here to able to speak and present.
The first day of this student, I was institute. I was scared to institute myself, and sir, I am not motivated. Sir is motivated and trained with speak, and I am here to also.
We have done with all these students. Actually these students are new students. Actually means they have an hesitation, but I think, or just I have an experience, they will also left their hesitation in some upcoming days. Okay, so if you like this video, so please share with your friends, family and colleagues, and please comment it on, means this is useful for us or not, and please share with your family members and also subscribe our channel.